your boy's got some new stuff for the car. This one,
we're gonna open up last.
It's winter here. My hands like literally do not function, so I can't do stuff like put a new Sidemarker light in the car, rewire it, pull the ones out inside of the car, and that kind of stuff. Now, I know this is like
kind of pathetic,
right? I'm making an unboxing video, but unfortunately there's a lot of people on the internet that do unboxing videos and they do pretty well, and I have really tried extremely hard to make content on this channel that is very high quality, but I'm having an issue. You ready? Lambo. You thought of it, right? You had to have thought of the Lamborghini. You had to have thought of the Lamborghini. When you see that, hello, Lambo. Do you not see Lambo legs there? So, anyways, yeah, my point being here is me focusing on like this super high quality content is unfortunately leading to me basically having no content. So I'm gonna do what basically every other car channel does, because might as well, it's working for them, right? Where I make a video opening up new crap, then I make a video going over how to install them,
then I make a video reviewing them, then I make a video giving my impressions on them, then I make another video of something else on the exact same thing that I can't think of.
Anyway, what do you think? Dude, I like those. And there is a couple of sets. They're buddy club taillights. Hey, I've had them on the other BRZ before we crashed it. I have them on the car now, and I'm just getting some new ones for content on the channel. This is actually something that I plan on making a video on with you guys. This is like another thing that like the videos that I've been making they're been car related, but they're like different. They're like a different style of video. Let's open up the big box so that I can stop repeating myself here. They've been a different style from your typical like fun vlog car cool stuff, like the video you're seeing in the background to hopefully entertain you. Fuck you, advertisement. Ah! Yeah, so how far in were we when that ad goes in there? 3 minutes. What do you guys think this is? My point being, winter sucks. There's like nothing car related. And my friends, I attempted last year to have fun during the winter in the other BRZ. And you do remember what happened. Woo! It's probably what I'm gonna put on the thumbnail. Again, had them on the other car. Waste of money. Dude, it's so true though, man. I'm so pissed. Basically, in order for me to get content, I have to buy stuff, right? Which is great. But the thing is like, when I started this channel, it was don't get me wrong, I bought the car for myself as well. Let me show you guys these. And this is like an LED strip all the way around. Demon Eye. I have a friend that does RGB. He customizes headlights like this. And these, again, they're great. So let me finish what I said. Let me finish what I said about the other thing. So when I started this channel, don't get me wrong, I bought the BRZ because I wanted one and I liked the car. I did not just specifically buy it for YouTube and making videos on YouTube. So yes, I did buy that for myself. But when I bought that, bro, like, that was a huge investment for this channel. And then I fucking crashed it. And I do like all the stuff I had on, like the front control arms, the rear control arms, the wheels on that car, the suspension on that car, the headlights, the tail lights, the vinyl wrap. They're like, dude, I did so much to that fucking car. I lost a lot because when I totaled it, the insurance company would not let me take anything off of that car. So, I mean, I could have, but it would have reduced the amount of money that they would have given me, which they didn't give me fucking jack shit anyways. So, I needed to buy another car, which I bought another one. And my friends, I do not make that kind of money to just total a car that I paid $30,000 for, had about $5,000, $10,000 worth of modifications on, and then just go buy another car and instantly start modifying it again. I do not make that kind of money. I wish I did. I very much wish I did. However, advertisement, right? No, actually not an advertisement. However, we will do my best to keep getting content out on the channel. Well, obviously we'll install these lights again, and again, I can't do it on my own, man. It's winter and I don't have a garage. I live in an apartment complex, and it's a thing that I've been trying to do is move. I've been trying to get out of this state and go down south, but it's just that's a lot easier said than done for somebody in my situation. That dude, why is that not fucking going in there? It's a lot easier said than done for somebody in my situation. I don't understand why this is like it came out, but it doesn't go in. There we go. Alright. Yeah, so we'll have install videos for those. The review, I don't need to review. I can review them right now. I had them on my other car. They're like great. They're good. I mean, so there are people that have issues with the buddy taillights where they leak and they like they get the condensation in it, but like I never had that issue on my other car. The same thing with the headlights. I never ran into that problem. I don't know if they got their fenders out, like they got their, you know what I mean. A lot of people just that have like lower cars, they take their fenders out of their car. Just because like, you hit a freaking pothole and it rips your fender out. That actually happened on my other car, and I just left it out. I ended up buying a new fender, and it happened again, and I'm just like, I'm just gonna leave it out of the car. It hasn't happened to the car, the one I have now. But as you guys can see, this is part of the reason that I do not make videos as much as I was, because of the weather. Yeah, man, I hope you guys have all been doing well. The fun vlog stuff will come back during the summer, but like during the winter, it's like I literally have nothing to do. Like there's nothing to do. I can't even do anything. I have another video planned going over like a mid-engine BRZ. I think that would be pretty sweet. And just kind of like car related stuff. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying really hard to do, but I'm gonna keep talking if I don't end the video. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.